If you've been feeling behind when it comes to AI, you're not alone. If you're an online business owner in 2025, AI is no longer optional. It's a force multiplier. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get started with simple, easy steps and how to make it a part of your everyday workflow. Step 1, pick one tool and commit to daily use. There's a lot of options out there. I'm telling you, there's a lot of different models and a lot of different choices out there. But to keep it simple, I'm gonna give you two choices. One is ChatGPT by OpenAI. I recommend the Plus version because it gives you more of the more advanced models like GPT-4. It's significantly better than the free model that you get with the free plan. Or you can use Claude by Anthropic, another great option. Either one works. Just pick one and don't hop between tools at first. The more you use one, the better results you're going to get. One of the biggest hacks I can give you is to change your mindset about AI. You want to use AI like it's an intern who's super fast and never complains, okay? Here's how to make it a habit. Every day, give it one small task related to your business. Need a YouTube title? Ask it for some ideas. Need help writing an Instagram caption? Ask it. Got a blog post idea but don't know where to start? Ask for an outline. Give it some information and it will give you a pretty decent outline. Want to improve your Airbnb course sales page? Take a screenshot, paste it, and ask for critique. It's incredibly powerful. The key is, though, that you use it consistently. One small task every single day. Step 2, you want to use a prompt formula that I invented called the COAST formula. I created a structure called COAST. It's an acronym, C-O-A-S-T. You can use that acronym to write better prompts. Let me show you what I mean. The reason why this acronym is very powerful is because you're going to get very specific about what you want so you get a better result. So here's what COAST stands for, okay? And this is how you're going to structure your prompts. The first initial thing you put in the chat box in ChatGPT or with Claude. The first letter is C and it's context, okay? What's the situation? Who are you, okay? What are you doing, okay? O is objective. What do you want to achieve, okay? A is action. What should the AI do exactly? S is style, the tone, the voice, the format. Do you want it to be funny, professional? Do you want a list? Do you want it in email format? And lastly, T is target. Who is it for? What kind of reader or viewer or audience member is this for? You're going to get dramatically different outputs when you use the COAST method. The better your prompt, the better the results. And that's the secret of AI. And soon, because you're doing this every day, you'll get faster at prompting without needing to remember the full acronym. Step 3, create a list of 10 everyday tasks you can outsource to AI. This is a game changer. I want you to sit down and write down a list of 10 tasks you do regularly in your business that you don't enjoy or take very long, right? That take too much of your time. Here are some examples most online businesses can relate to or might find on their list. Number 1, writing headlines for content. Number 2, writing subject lines for emails. Number 3, repurposing video scripts into an Instagram caption, okay? Number 4, writing a lesson summary for your course. Number 5, creating a quiz or a worksheet from your course. Number 6, turning a testimonial into a story. Number 7, generating FAQs for sales pages. Number 8, summarizing a podcast episode into a blog post. Number 9, drafting responses to customer support emails. And number 10, creating a new lead magnet for your product. Once you have your list, aim to hand 1 or 2 of these to AI every single day. You don't have to replace everything you do. You just need to delegate the things that are time consuming, that don't really generate a lot of money, and things that you don't enjoy. And when it comes to the things you do enjoy, AI can become your first draft partner or brainstorming buddy. Step 4, don't fear the tech. It's getting easier. I get it. AI can feel intimidating, but here's something that no one tells you or doesn't tell beginners. The tools are getting easier week by week. At the beginning, it was quite hard to understand how to use these things. Now it's just basically type what you want in a box, okay? You don't need plugins. You don't need fancy workflows. You don't even need any kind of coding knowledge or skills. All you need is clear communication, a little curiosity, because you're going to learn as you go, as it develops, and the willingness to test and refine and repeat when things are not exactly what you want. You're going to learn by doing. And don't aim to be perfect when it comes to AI. Aim to be consistent and to just have progress, get better. Step 5, the real magic, okay? It's not just productivity, it's possibility. AI doesn't just save you time, it opens up new lanes in your business. You can use it to brainstorm your next digital product. You could generate new course ideas based on Airbnb host pain points that they express to you in your community. And you'll find new ideas pop up just by using it, not because AI is magic, but because you're thinking bigger when you're not buried with busy work, right? So, Jackie and everybody who's listening, you're already ahead of most people by just asking how I start, right? How should I start with AI? Well, you're already starting by asking. Now it's time to play. Now it's time to use it. So, to recap real quick, pick one AI tool. You can use ChatGPT or Claude is what I recommend, either one. Use the Coast prompt framework for better output, COAST. Number 3, build a list of 10 tasks you want AI to start doing instead of you doing it. Number 4, let go of perfection, learn by doing. Number 5, use it not just to save time, but to spark ideas and explore endless possibilities. For now, AI is not replacing you, okay? But someone using AI will, okay? The good news is that that can be you. You're still early, you still have time, but don't wait to learn AI like you're gonna learn something in a course. Start using it and you'll learn as you go. Thanks for the question, Jackie, and thanks for everybody who's listening who are trying to get smarter, have more fun with their business. I love it. If you have a question you want to ask, go ahead and ask it on Q&A Wednesday. All you got to do is go to 100mba.net/Q and submit your question there, and I'll make sure to answer it right here on the show. And hey, if you're listening and you've been ignoring AI because it felt too big or too nerdy or too late, today's the perfect day to change that. But before you go, if you enjoyed this episode and want more practical, no fluff insights like this episode, but at a more deeper level, then you want to sign up for my 3 Things newsletter so I can help coach you from afar right in your inbox. Every week, I send you 3 things, one thing to think about, one thing to do, and one thing to learn. In short, it's sharp, it's actually useful, and it's free. Just sign up over at 100mba.net. Just sign up for any of our freebies and you get added to our email list and get added to a newsletter automatically. Thanks again, and I'll check you in the next one.